You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because you stop breathing 200 times a night and you have low T levels because of it. Yes, sleep apnea is the number one T killer no one talks about. Okay? TRT clinics aren't going to sell you a CPAP machine because it put them out of business. But I can't tell you how many guys have undiagnosed sleep apnea. They're snoring throughout the night, their necks are humongous, and they're suffocating and killing off their oxygen to their brain multiple times a night. And they wake up tired, no morning wood, brain fog. Does this sound familiar? Does it sound like low T? Well, yes, but it's because of sleep apnea. I'm a urologist and I treat men with low T all the time. And I also help diagnose and find out ways that we can reverse low T without actually having to give them testosterone. Follow me for more helpful advice just like this.